Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit red curves in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here I already opened a picture. You can do it too. Basically it opens up in the gallery, and then from the gallery you select the picture that you want to edit. So after you selected the picture that you want to edit, it's going to look like this, and from the bottom slider you have to select light, and then this little pop-up comes up. Here in this pop-up you tap on curve, and in curve you select the little red circle, and then you can edit the red curve. By tapping on the line anywhere, you can add little dots, and you can move these dots to set the curvature of the line. Usually you have to create an S curve because that's the most suitable for all kinds of edits. So yeah, here's how it looks with this curve, and here's how it looks without the curve. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.